Any eye trouble?
Well, Dan, the weather in some places was enough to make you dizzy today, wasn't it?
It was.
Spin you around.
Well, you know, and I don't see really well up close, but I need to mention right now, and that's the reason I have my glasses on, we have a severe thunderstorm warning until 7:15 p.m. This is for north central Utah County and west central Wasatch County. It'll affect American Fork, Highland, Alpine, Pleasant Grove, Linden, Mountain Timpanogos, and Sundance and Deer Creek State Parks. So we're going to show that to you in just a moment on Live 5 Viper. But tell you what, Chopper 5 was up, out and about, picking up those lightning strikes. We had some severe weather, the size of quarters and larger, some of the hail, and look how dark it was on. This is not the day to climb Mount Timpanogos, I will tell you that. Very, very active day weather-wise. Now, I want to show you some clouds. I took this picture from my house in Bountiful, and whenever you see these popcorn cotton ball shapes on the bottom of the clouds, that's when you look for severe weather. Now, we had about 0.4 of an inch in 5 minutes at my house. That was at the rate of over 2 inches per hour, and that's what was the result with those cotton ball clouds. Now, near Loa, look at all of the hail on the road. Thanks to Daryl Lynn for sending us this picture. And also in Utah County, Bill S. says, look at the swirling motion. We had a storm that was attempting to create a funnel cloud. There is definite rotation in this cloud. That is the reason we had severe weather. That is the reason we had flooding. This is Eagle Mountain, second day in a row. There has been flooding in homes. It's unfortunate, but folks, this is what happens in the monsoon season. We are deep into the monsoon season, and we have severe weather with flooding across Garfield and Kane counties, and also near Laurel, Loa, Bicknell, and Richfield. Had a report from Mona of some hail and severe weather. Let's go to Live 5 Viper because most of the action is right here with this thunderstorm. We talked about it just a minute ago. You see the darker pink shade and also the black shade. That is hail. So let's get right in real close, and we'll watch this storm in motion. It is coming from the southwest, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. So right now, it is right along I-15, American Fork, Highland, and right there at Suncrest. That'll be the direction that storm is heading. We also have strong to severe thunderstorms near Tooele and along the northern outskirts of Salt Lake County. Now, we're talking about Bacchus and up towards Magna, and also some thunderstorms now forming in the middle part of the valley, Taylorsville, West Valley City, and again up towards Capitol Heights. That's up by the Capitol. These storms are going to be impacting the weather for the next couple of hours. Satellite picture shows this is the monsoonal flow. High pressure is right there in place over the Four Corners area, pushes the moisture northward. We have a deepening low along the coast. That's helping because these little disturbances move along in the flow. The jet stream picks up the moisture and causes the outbreak of strong to severe thunderstorm. Bullseye, Roosevelt, western Uintah Basin, Green River, over towards the Wasatch Plateau, north and east of Cedar City, Beaver, and up towards Manti, where we had some hail today in Beaver, and it covered the ground. St. George, you're on the fringe, so the Pine Valley Mountains and also Zion National Park for the next 2 days, and then slightly drier and calmer weather for next week. Now, the heaviest thunderstorms, Provo, Salt Lake City, Park City, eastward tomorrow. Temperatures will reach into the low 90s, and then we'll see a little bit of improvement on Friday. More improvement over the weekend. Temperatures will actually be below normal this weekend. Normal or average is 92, and we're going to be 91 and 90 on Saturday and Sunday, and next week, right on normal, an actual typical August couple of days. But the monsoon is here for 2 days.
Yeah, quite an evening, too.
And, you know, when it's severe weather like this and there's a lot of lightning, you want to go inside. When you hear the thunder, go inside. Yeah. Safe place to be.